Hello guys, welcome again. My name is Charles Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to monitor your playlist or how to know who is watching your video currently on your YouTube channel. Alright, I have a previous version of this video, you can go ahead and check it out, but that's for desktop version. But this one I'm going to show you guys how to monitor who is watching your video on your YouTube studio, right on your Android mobile. Alright, in order for you to know how to do this, all you need to do is to download this application right here called YouTube Studio. It's called YT Studio. Alright, in order to be able to download it, go ahead and open your Android Play Store, your Google Play Store, and wait for it to load. Once it comes up, and here, go ahead and search for YouTube Studio. Alright, there is a lot to do in this YouTube Studio. In order for you to confirm, to check your history, how many people who are watching your video channel, you could go ahead and click on this. In order for you to you'll be able to learn a lot in using your YouTube channel. Alright, I'm currently updating the application because I just went online. And then if you notice, there is a lot of things this YouTube Studio carries in order for you to check your analytics, to know how your video is doing and everything. You can go ahead and click on it. You'll be able to get the most viewed, most liked, most subscribed, and then also your monetization. You can also manage everything you want right under your YouTube channel, and you'll be able to get to you'll be able to get to control and manage your comments also on your YouTube Studio. Alright, now I already have this installed on my phone. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it works. Okay, now go ahead and click and open your YouTube Studio once you've downloaded it. Okay, currently I made some video sharing, so because I did some video sharing, I'm expecting people to be watching it. So all YouTube Studio does is show you people who are currently watching your YouTube channel and how they are actually engaging. So for us to do this, let's go ahead and click on this area, go to our analytics. You can see that on your dashboard of your YouTube Studio, you have a lot of things there, varying from your analytic, your view time, your subscriber changes, how it's going. You can notice the arrow, red arrow is going down, that means it's reducing, and then green arrow is showing up, that means it's increasing. And then when you look at your video area, you can actually see also how your video is doing, if it's doing great, likes and subscribe, and then comments from other people. You can also notice the comments area. I can actually go ahead and edit and do a lot of things on this area, but actually what I want to show you guys today is how to know who is actually playing your video currently, or if someone is actually watching your video currently on your mobile phone. So go ahead and click on this analytic. After you clicked on the menu to toggle, go ahead and click on analytics, wait for it to load, give it some minute. Okay, now we are here. You can notice that at the top it shows real view, and also on the desktop it also shows overview and then real view. You can notice that this area is actually overview. So this is the overview of the area. This overview actually carries the time limit of within 48 hours, how many people who are actually viewing it, and within 48 hours, how many people, how many real-time view you've gotten. And also this one is actually the particular video section, and this is actually the watch time within 28 days, views within 28 days. But what we are going to be looking after is this particular one, which actually says real view within 48 hours. So go ahead and click on it. Previously I've been a little bit busy, so I've not shared my video a lot, so many people have not been able to watch it regularly, but I did share my video today, so I'm very sure someone is watching my video right now. So that's the reason why I'm making this video, in order for you guys to notice how this works. Okay, give it some time to load. It's taking some time because I'm actually updating the application, so I'm going to go ahead and pause this application. Okay, alright, it's already open now, so no need to pause. Okay, this is actually your view area. You can notice that I have 91 people that have viewed my video within the period of 48 hours, but that's not what I want to check. I have to check it within period of within a closer range. Okay, go ahead and click on the arrow at the top. you can notice this area that says real time 60 minutes. So within a period of 60 minutes, definitely someone is watching my video right now. That means depending on the range of 60 minutes, because from now to 60 minutes, that's a minimum of 1 hour. So it's between 9 to 10. So let me go ahead and click on it to be sure if someone was actually watching my video or so. Okay, you can notice that I have 3 currently right now. All right, and you can notice that the time is 10:17. Let me give it some time and then come back and click on it also to see if it adds up. And then if it adds up, that means it's actually working properly. If it doesn't add up, that means maybe this video is actually wrong and it's actually a wrong idea of creating it. But I'm very sure how this works, and it's definitely going to count if someone is actually viewing my video. In fact, I'm going to ask a friend to watch my video right now so that this video tutorial will be perfect. All right, okay, hope you guys hang on, and while I pause the video, we can discuss something else. Okay, how you guys should take a nap or a snack while I pause. Alright guys, come back. So I've asked 2 of my friends to watch my video, and if you remember previously we were on 3 views. So let's see how it goes when we refresh right now and see. Okay, congrats, we have 6 views already. So you can now see the difference between live view and then, so you'll be able to know if someone is actually watching your video. It only displays when the person have actually watched it to a certain limit, probably when the person is in the middle of the video or when the person is actually finishing the video. So this is actually a real-time view of who is actually watching your video. It's different from someone who's been watching your video for a while, but this one is actually between the period of 60 minutes. So this is still the same video of the one I showed you guys analytic on how to do it on desktop, but since not everybody has desktop and some people use their mobile phone to check the analytics, so I think this is a good idea for you guys to know this. All right, okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, my name is Trust Stanley from TS Tech Talk, and don't forget to share the video if you enjoyed it, and also leave your comment below. And don't forget, my name is Trust Stanley.